Introduction to OOP Classes and Objects.
Object-oriented programming uses classes and objects to organize code. Beginners often mix up these two foundational concepts. Understanding the distinction is key for effective programming in languages like Python, Java, and C++. Let's explore what each term means and how they relate.
What is a class?
A is like a blueprint or template. It defines the structure and behaviors an object will have, but does not create anything by itself. For example, a class might describe what properties a car has, such as color and speed, and what actions it can perform, like driving or braking.
What is an object?
An object is a specific instance of a class. It's the actual item created using the class blueprint. For example, if the class is car, then a red sports car parked outside is an object. Objects have real values for their properties and can perform actions defined by their class.
Key differences summarized.
Classes are definitions. They do not hold data themselves. Objects are created from classes and actually contain data. You can think of a class as the plan and objects as the actual products made from that plan. Many objects can be created from a single class, each with its own unique data.
Why it matters in programming.
Grasping the difference helps you write reusable, organized, and efficient code. By defining classes, you avoid repeating yourself. By creating objects, you work with real data in your programs. This distinction is a cornerstone of object-oriented programming and is used across various coding languages.